Greetings and salutations, everybody. I am Skojo in 360. Welcome to another edition of Immersed in Nature. And that means this is a fully immersive 360 video. You can look around behind you. In fact, if you look behind you, you'll see Broken Top Mountain and South Sister to the left behind me, because we are in the Green Lakes area of Central Oregon, one of my favorite places. If you look up right now, you'll see an Easter egg to tell you how to get around in 360. We are going to go back to the trailhead and then head back to the lakes. Let's get started. In the meantime, Well, thanks for joining us for another edition of Immersed in Nature. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you really, really like it, share it with your friends. I'll give you a piece of pizza. Cheers. Son of a... GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop.